Hi. In the previous video, we learned how to take the videos and the media that we had imported into our project in Davinci and move them into our timeline. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trim some certain clips. There might be certain parts of a clip that you don't like, or you want to trim out, or possibly the beginning or the end of a clip. So we're going to learn how to use the cutting tool in Davinci. So let's take a look at our project so far. We've gone ahead and we've uploaded all these videos into the media library. We've dragged them down into our timeline. We notice here that we've got a video and an audio track. We've unlinked so that we could remove some of the audio, and we've got them all lined up, ready to go. We moved them all into the space. But let's take a look here. If we've got at the beginning of our video here, if I scrub all the way to the beginning, you'll see here that I'm trying to start the camera, and that might be something that we don't want to put into the video. So what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in on the timeline. You see there's this minus and this plus here. I'm going to go plus. I'm going to zoom in on it. I'm going to move here, and you can see as we scrub along, you can see where things start to... There, I can start talking right around there. I can look down at my timeline and see where I am beginning to talk. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you how to cut. So over here, if I'm going to cut, I've got this tool here. This is our razor tool, the blade edit mode. You can hit B, which will put it in there, or you can just go over here and click on it. So we're going to go there, and if you notice here, it gives you a razor blade. I'm going to move to the point where I want to make the cut, and I just click down on it. And you'll notice now that it's split the two. Now what I want to do is I want to hit my select tool again, because you notice I've still got the blade. So if I click on anything else, it's just going to go ahead and cut. So oops, I accidentally cut a bunch of them. If you want to go ahead and remove, you made mistakes you want to undo, you can hit Control Z, or if you're using a Macintosh, you hit Command Z. So it'll undo it, undo it, undo it. Now we're going to go up here, we're going to click on to the select tool, or you can hit A. We're going to go over here, we're going to click on that part that we don't want. We're going to delete it by hitting the delete key. And there we go. We've got it gone. Now we want to move this whole thing over, just like we learned in our last video. We click once on it, and we're going to ripple delete, which we can either right click and hit ripple delete and move it, or what we can also do is if we cut, we can just hit the delete button, and that moves it along. So another thing we could do, we're going to go ahead and make this a bit smaller, is say that we want to move something in here. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we can put in a title track so that we can add a little more punch to the videos and talk about, like, give some sort of indication of what the next part of the video will be about. So I'll be talking about adding titles to our videos.